Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about XLookup end to end, all the different functionalities. This will be making your life easier and making XLookup more user friendly. Let's have a look. The first one is the vertical lookup. This is simple as we use a VLOOKUP. So XLookup, the lookup value, which is the product here, the lookup array, we select the array where the lookup value exists, comma, we select the return array, only the array from where we want the value to be returned. Close bracket, hit enter. Here we don't have to select the entire range. We don't have to put any column number. Just specify the column from where you want the value to be returned and XLookup does it for you. Let's have a look at the next one, the horizontal lookup. So XLookup is capable of looking up horizontally as well. The lookup value, then the lookup array, comma, the return array, which is this one, close bracket, hit enter. So it works horizontally as well. Let's have a look. The lookup to the left, the main functionality, one of the main, like it can look up to the left as well, which VLOOKUP was unable to do. Now lookup value here, lookup array, which is this, comma, the return array, which is to the left, close bracket, hit enter. Just as easy as that. So next one that we have is what if the value not found? So XLookup has an inbuilt functionality to do a lookup and to return an error message as specified when the value is not found. So let's have a look. The lookup value is the price here. Lookup array this column, comma, return array, we want the product name, comma, this one, if not found. Here we specify the message that we want it to show. So, product not found. Close bracket, hit enter. 49 pound doesn't exist, so it is giving me the message specified. If I make it 50, so we're getting the value. So it does the work of an if error function. Next one that we have is approximate match. What if the exact value doesn't exist? So again, lookup value is the price. The price array we select F4 to lock the cell. Return array, we are looking for discounts. What if not found? We are skipping that. And here we are selecting the second option, exact match or next smaller item. Hit a tab to select, close bracket, hit enter. Do a control D. So as you can see here, 49 pounds doesn't exist in the list, but it is picking up from the value against the next smaller item, which is 40. If I make this as 102, it is picking up against 100. Let's have a look at this next one. XLookup, lookup value is price, lookup array is this one, lock this, return array is my discount, lock this as well, comma, and we are selecting the third one here, exact match or next greater item, close, do a control D. So here it is picking up against the next greater item if it is not finding an exact match. So against 49 it is picking up 50, which is this one. If I make it 52, it is picking up against 100. All right. Next, we have the wildcard character match. So this works when we do not have an exact match. XLookup. So here in Excel, wildcard is represented by the asterisk symbol. We put asterisk within quotations and the cell reference and asterisk, then the lookup array, which is my product list, comma, my return array, we're looking for price, comma, and we have to select this option, wildcard character match, select it, and we get this. By default, it will do a search from top to bottom, that is first to last. If you want to change it, then we can do that. Let's have a look at the next one. Like here, you are using XLookup function to look up the value of smart TV here and the price. By default, Excel will pick up first to last. However, if you want to specify that you want to search from first to last, then you select this option and hit enter. It will do a search from first to last and will pick up the first value as you can see here. However, if you want to specify that Excel should pick up from last to first, then you can do that as well. Then you have to select this option, search last to first. Close bracket, hit enter. So it is picking up the last value. All right, let's have a look at the next one, which is search mode, another search mode using ascending and descending order. XLookup, my lookup value. Here we can specify how it wants to do the search. Log the cell reference. Return array is my discount. Log that as well. If not found, we are skipping. Match mode, we are skipping. Search mode, the third one. Hit a tab to select it, which is ascending order, and select enter. Do a control D. This will work when the lookup value is arranged in ascending order. If you make it descending order, say it won't work. Let's have a look at this one. XLookup. My lookup value is my price, which is here. Log this. My discount, log this. And search mode, we select the fourth option. Hit a tab to select and hit enter. Do a control D. This works only when the data is arranged in descending order. If I change this, see either one of them will work. Interesting. Next one. When we are searching for entire row or column, this also will make your life easy. Lookup array is this one, comma. My return array is all these three values that I want to be returned in my cell. Hit enter. Easy. And you can get this vertically done as well. Just that you have to use this in combination with transpose function. Transpose XLookup. My lookup value is this. Lookup array is my product list, comma, and my return array again is my entire table here. Close bracket, hit enter. Let's have a look at the next one. Search using multiple criteria. This is interesting and one of my favorites as well, where you are using search criteria, multiple ones. So first we use one as a true value, then start a bracket, select your first range equals to your first criteria, close bracket, asterisk, like a sum product, we'll use it. Second range equals your second criteria, again, asterisk. Third range equals your third criteria. And now your return array, which is discount, close bracket, hit enter. So if any of your criteria doesn't match, you will not get the value. And let's have a look at the last one, the two-way lookup, or also horizontal and vertical together. So first criteria is my smartwatch product, which is in this array, comma, in combination with another XLookup function where I'm looking up quantity against this array, comma, and my return array will be this entire selection and hit enter. So this gives you the desired result. If you change any of the selection, this changes. This was all that we had for XLookup in this video. Stay tuned for more videos on more functionalities of Excel. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful.